Hey you, come over here. You want to learn how to erase part of an image in Canva? Follow me. So this can be used for foreground as well as background in your image. So let's go ahead and select the image that we want to work with. And from here, you're going to go up to the top left-hand side and look for edit image. And there are two options here. Firstly, you have the background removal, and this will literally remove the background of your image. Okay, so you can clearly see that the background of this image is out of focus, so it'll easily identify that part of the image. But what we want to do is go to Magic Eraser. This is a premium service, but it is definitely worth it. So you have two ways of doing this. For example, on the right hand side, we have a tower over here that we would like to remove. So on the left hand side, you have your tools. You can now use your brush and you can change your brush size. So I'm going to go ahead and brush out this tower and remove it. Once we've done so, we can just click on erase and watch the magic happen. You can see that it has removed most of the part that I erased. You can go ahead and continue to erase that area until you're happy with the results. Now, having the versatility of the brush is really awesome, but let's say we want to remove this car from the foreground. Instead of going around the edges with this brush, which would be quite tedious and time consuming, we can go over to the left hand side and use the click or select option. Here, it'll identify objects within your image, and all you have to do is click on the actual object. It'll highlight that object, and now you can go ahead and remove it. Additional to the removal, it's actually filled up where that car was in this image with its generative fill, which is absolutely mind-blowing. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace!